Welcome to 5-Minute Marketing with Clairant. My name is Desirae Haluk, and I am the owner of Clairant Services, which is a marketing agency for startups and small businesses. Today, we're going to talk about educating your target audience with webinars. So webinars are a key component of networking and pitching these days. So instead of you coming in front of somebody who you think may be interested in your products or services and convincing them to buy it, webinars are a great way to educate your audience with almost a built-in sales pitch to it without it sounding salesy. So whether you're unconvinced of the value of webinars or you're just interested in learning more about why webinars could help your business, we have compiled a list of the top benefits of hosting a webinar. So the first thing is that it allows you to keep your audience engaged with the use of polls and survey-like questions that are really useful for your sort of market research, understanding what the demand is from your potential customers. And also it allows for Q&A, usually at the end of the session, where you can engage with your audience. So it's a super useful tool to keep your audience engaged. The next thing is that it classifies yourself as an expert in the industry. So usually when you're giving a webinar, you're educating your target audience about something in your industry or your services or your product or some issues or pain points that are common in your industry. This allows you to showcase your knowledge about what you do and again, building your brand and building the trust in your brand. When people understand that you are super knowledgeable in your field, they're probably going to go to you when they're ready to pull the trigger on, purchasing either your services or your products. Webinars are great for classifying yourself as an expert in the industry. Another reason why webinars are super beneficial to small businesses is that you can teach and sell at the same time. So rather than presenting for an hour and then closing with a sales pitch, you can build your sales pitch in to an educational webinar. The more that you educate your target audience, the more they're going to trust in your brand. And then the more likely it is that you will convert them from a prospect into a customer. The next thing webinars will help you with is expanding your customer base. So instead of you giving a local talk in person, maybe you're in front of dozens or even hundreds of people. You can give a webinar that is virtual, reaching literally the world. You can be in front of hundreds and thousands of people at the same time who are potential customers for your business. So webinars really allow you to expand that customer base. It also allows you to establish a new network of connections. It's really easy to demonstrate your knowledge in industry when you have the use of webinars. And it's almost like a relationship building tool. If you do them regularly, people will actually look forward to your webinars. It's like a relationship builder. And finally, you receive measurable results from webinars. So you understand how many people registered. Then you can see how many people actually showed up and viewed your webinar. Later, when you send out a follow-up recording, you can see how many people clicked on the recording. So it's really valuable as a sales tool without feeling salesy. So by now, you should know that you should definitely invest your time in creating webinars for your business to educate your target audience. If you need help with that, you can always go to our website and get more information. So thank you very much for listening today, and we will see you next time for 5-Minute Marketing with Clairant.